Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, as I have given you introduction about the topic that we have started in our first session of this year, that was warm up. Okay, so in warm up exercise, we are going to discuss about the in this chapter actually we will do all the sums that you have already practiced in the previous class 3. Okay, and this warm up exercise is linked with the syllabus of your previous class 3. Okay, so in this the mostly the topics that you will get that you have already done. So this is just a recall exercise that we are doing, so that after the gap of the annual exam, so that you can cover the gap between the annual exams and the new session. So if the topic is slip from your आपके दिमाग से थोड़ा सा slip हो गया है, so you can easily recall it. So that's why the warm up exercises are given in the book. Okay, so in the previous session we have done the first two questions from the exercise warm up. Okay, so today we are going to start with the third one. Okay, so let's begin with the third sum from the warm up exercise only. Okay, so that is warm up exercise. Okay, this is the warm up exercise, and the question number 3 is, in each group, split the number given in the triangle in the 3 parts and fill in the blanks circles. First one is done for you. Okay, so here as you can see, so here some figures are given. So 5 parts, in this sum is given 5 parts, and here each figure have 3 circles and they are interconnected with each other, and in each group you can see there are certain numbers are given in this triangular figure, and we have to fill the number that is fill the circle that is blank. Okay, so first one is completed, but I'll just start with the first part of question number 3, that is A. Okay, so beta, as you can see in the first part there is nothing, no question is none of the circle is blank, but we can observe that, we can see that this one, the uppermost one, has a different color. So that means इसका जो color है वो बाकी circles उसमें जो color से जो लिखा गया है that is different. So इसको we will take it as blank. Okay, इसको हम blank लेंगे. Okay, so little bit bigger, 1, 2, 3, and middle. Okay, so now the numbers they have written 405. Here they have written 120, and here they have written 150. Okay, so as we can see, this is written in a little bit different color. यहाँ पे 135 है, that is written in blue color. So let's find out that what type of calculation they have done while doing this question. तो उन्होंने ये question करते हुए किस type की calculation ली है? Okay, so we will find that first of all. Okay, so as we can see, so देखिए ये इसमें 120, here it is 150, here it is 135. Okay, and the middle में दिया हुआ है 405. Okay, so that means somehow after adding them, after subtracting them, multiplying, or somehow, okay, जो इन तीनों को calculate करके they have a common answer, that is 405. So let's calculate कि आंसर आया कैसे 405. So that means 120, 150 and 135. Let's add them all. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 0, 10, 1 2 3 4, that is 405. So that means when we add these three you will get the answer, that is 405. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स अब जब हम तीनों सर्कल्स को ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे पास आंसर क्या आएगा, 405. सो लेट्स सपोज दैट वी डोंट नो दिस. सपोज करिए आप इसको ये नहीं पता एंड दिस इज गिवन ब्लैंक. देखिए अब आपको इतना थोड़ा आइडिया हो गया है कि दैट इन तीनों को जब हम ऐड करेंगे यू विल गेट 405. सो दैट मीन्स द सम टोटल ऑफ दीज थ्री इज 405. So for calculating this one, what we will do? If we subtract 120 and 150 from 405, we can easily get this. हमारे पास ये आ जाएगा. So 405 minus 120. 405 minus 120. 5 minus 0, 5. 0 minus 2 not possible, so it will be 10 and here it will be 3. 10 minus 2 8. 3 minus 1 2. हमारे पास कितना है, 285. Now इस 285 में से what we will do, we will subtract this one. अभी हमने ये माइनस किया, अभी ये बाकी है. Now we will subtract this. 5 minus 0 5, 8 minus 5 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. So that means अगर हम टोटल में से इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे we will get this one, that is 135. तो देखिए the A part is that is given in the book, that is already just an example they have given. Okay, they have just given an example कि आपको बाकी की जो पार्ट्स है वो करने कैसे हैं. So that means अब आपको दो चीजें याद रखनी है while doing the other parts, that the middle number, this is the sum total of all the three other numbers that is given in the circle, and suppose any of the number from the circle is missing, and for calculating that missing number we are going to subtract the other two given numbers from the total of the numbers so that we can calculate the missing number. Clear? अभी देखिए अगर आपको नहीं क्लियर हुआ then when you will do two more parts then the concept will be more clear. Okay, so I will just do two more parts and the concept will be clear. Okay, so this is already given, so we will start with the B part. Okay, B part करेंगे and then your concept will be little bit more clear. Again starting with the same kind of diagram, figure, you can say diagram or figure, whatever. Circle, another circle and this. Okay, and the middle number is 730. The middle number is 730 and here they have mentioned 360 and here it is 240 though. So the question is given like this, and what we need to do is we need to calculate this one because this number, this circle is empty, this circle is blank and we need to find it. So how we are going to find this? By subtracting these two from the total. Okay, so as we have observed in the previous question that the sum total of the numbers of all that are given inside the circle is this. तो इन तीनों सर्कल के अंदर जो नंबर्स दिए हैं जब हम इन तीनों को टोटल करेंगे वी विल गेट दिस. बट हियर द सम टोटल इज गिवन, द टू नंबर्स आर गिवन, द थर्ड वन इज मिसिंग. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, फॉर दैट यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दीज टू नंबर्स फ्रॉम दिस. चाहे तो एक एक करके सब्ट्रैक्ट करके कर सकते हैं या इन दोनों को ऐड करके जो आंसर आएगा उसको इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए and you will get the missing numbers. So both method you can use. So I am using the one method in this part and another method I will use in the another part. So first of all let's subtract 240 from 730 and this is the rough work you are going to do. 730 minus 240. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 4 not possible, so it will borrow from here, it will 6, that is 13 minus 4 9, 6 minus 2 4. कितना आ गया? 490. The answer is sorry, here we get 490. अभी तो हमने सिर्फ ये माइनस किया है. This one is still left. So now the answer we get, उसमें से we will subtract the second number, that is 490 minus 360. 490 minus 360. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. So, after subtracting these two numbers from the total, we got the answer, that is 130. And this will come in the blank circle. The answer is 130. तो मैंने इसमें क्या मेथड फॉलो किया? सो आई हैव सब्ट्रैक्टेड turn by turn the one number and then the other number from the total. Okay, so this is how we have calculated the missing numbers that we need to write in the circle. Clear? Chaliye, so there is another method to calculate this simple question. Okay, so both are the very simple ones, so you no need to do such a very big calculation here. So you can use any method, whichever you think that is easy for you. Okay, chaliye, so this is the B part, so you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Chaliye, moving next to the C. C part is here. Circle, circle, circle. Okay, so here they have mentioned in the C part it is given 913 here total. Then in this it is written 312, and here it is given 295. This is given like this. Okay, chaliye, so now we need for this one is blank, so for calculating this we need to subtract these two from this. Okay, so इन दोनों को अलग अलग माइनस करने के बजाय we can use this method. So let's add them both. इन दोनों को ऐड करिए. 295 plus 312. Add them. 5 plus 2 7. 9 plus 1 0 plus 1 10. 3 plus 3 is 6. कितना आया? 607. So we got 607. So now you can subtract 607 from 913. So 913 minus the total of these two numbers, that is 607. So that will be 13 and that will be 0. 13 minus 7, that will be 6. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. So the answer is 306. So the answer is 306. So this is another method that you can use for calculating the answer. Either subtract both the numbers individually one by one, or another method is by adding these two numbers. First of all, just add these two numbers and then subtract the sum total of these two numbers from the total and you will get the third number. Okay, so this is another method. So whichever you think, and just make sure this work that you are going to do in the rough work. Okay, this is the rough work. So you can do it in the rough work only, or you can mark a line in the notebook and then thereafter you can do the rough work. Clear? Okay, so this was the C part. Okay, let's do one more part from the here only. Okay, so that is the D part. Okay, so let's do the D part. The D part is here. 1, 2, D part. Okay, so again the sum total is 9,999. then 2 4 5 6, 2 4 5 6, ऊपर 5 3 2 1, this is 5 3 2 1. Okay, and we need to calculate this one. Okay, so any of the method you can use to calculate the answer, whether by subtracting the each of the number individually from the total, or by adding the both the numbers and then subtracting their sum total from the sum total of all these three. Okay, so I'm just using by adding, first of all I'm going to add these two numbers. So let's add 5321 plus 2456. 1 plus 6 7, 2 plus 5 7, 3 plus 4 7, 5 plus 2 7. So the answer we got after adding these two given numbers that are given the circle is 7777. Clear? Now subtract this 7777 from this 9999 minus 7777. करिए minus. Okay? 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 7 again 2, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 7 2. So the answer you got is 2222. 2222. So this is the answer we got. Okay, again this is all we are going to do in the rough only. So I'm just erasing it here. All this work you are going to do in the rough. Okay, beta. So this was the D part. Next, the E part is given here. Okay, so again one more part is this, and I'm going to do it here. So because you have just started with the session, so first of all you are going to do all the questions, and later on I'm going to give you some of the questions for the practice as well. Okay, chaliye, let's move to the E part. Let's move to the E part. Again, 3 circles are here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is given 8, 7, 6, 9. 8, 7, 6, 9. Then 6, 5, 1, 4 and 2, 0, 4, 2. Okay, again this figure is given with one of the blank circle, and we need to complete the blank circle, this one. Chaliye, again I'm just going to use I'm going to add these two and then subtract the answer from the total. So first of all let's add 2042 plus 6514. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 1, 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 6 is 8. That is 8556. Okay, now let's subtract 8556 from 8769. 8769 minus 8556. Okay, 9 minus 6, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. 8 minus 8, 0. So the answer we got is, that is 213. So the answer we got is, that is 213. Okay, so this is how we are going to do the questions, okay, of these missing numbers that are given in the question number 3. Okay, so this was the last part from the question number 3 from the warm-up exercise. Okay, so you can pause the videos after every part, and thereafter from there you can just note it down in your notebooks, and make sure, not like the last year, this year you all are going to make a proper notebooks of each and every subject in a proper handwriting. Okay, so just make sure that you all do all the work in a very proper manner, so that teachers are able to understand that what you have written in the notebooks, because some students have given such a notebooks that even we are not able to see understand even a single words from it. Okay, so kindly make sure that you do all the work very neat and clean. Clear? Okay, now let's move to the fourth question. Now let's move to the question number 4 from the exercise, same exercise, question number 4. Okay, so the question number 4 is, do as directed and fill the correct number in the boxes. So next is question number 4. The next is question number 4. The question number 4 में क्या दिया बेटा? In the question number 4 they have given do as directed. So here they have given some of the directions, and we have to do in the same manner and fill the correct numbers in the boxes, and we need to fill the correct numbers in the given boxes as well. So first of all, I'm just going to draw the boxes that are already given here, and then we will solve the question as they have directed us. Okay, so here the first box, and then they have made an arrow here, and it is written at 200. Okay, next again, then subtract 75. Again, subtract 125. Next they have written, okay, so first of all we will understand the sum, and then I am going to tell you the further. Okay, so there they have given a question with a particular figure or the number of boxes. Okay, and here they have written 745. Here they have written a number that is 745, or you can say that 745. So now what we need to do is, okay, so 745 to this. So as the arrow is pointing towards here, so jo arrow hai beta, this is pointing towards downwards. So what we need to do is, so as you can see that something is written here along with the arrow. तो arrow के साथ एक कोई चीज लिखी हुई है, और arrow जो एक चीज नीचे की तरफ point कर रहा है, it is pointing towards this box. So that means add 200. Add 200 means 200 प्लस करो, 200 को ऐड करो, 200 को प्लस करो. किस में प्लस करो? 200 तो हमें ऐड करना है, बट इन विच, इन व्हाट नंबर वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड 200? सो वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड 200 इन 745. So that means we need to add 200 into 745. So 745 plus 200. Okay, so that we are going to do in the rough. 745 plus 200. 745 plus 200. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 2, 9. That is 945. So that means if we add 200 to 745, you will get 945. So we will get 900, or you will get 945. Okay. So now in the box we got the answer, that is 945. Next, from this to this box. So here you can see an arrow that is pointing from this box to this box. So that means now we are going to move. Okay. So as the question is given, do as directed. क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है डू एज डायरेक्टेड, जैसे डायरेक्शन दी जा रही है, जैसे बोला जा रहा है, जिस तरीके से बोला जा रहा है, जिधर डायरेक्शन दी हुई है, यू आर गोइंग टू डू इन दैट वे ओनली. ओके, सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. सो हियर अगेन दे हैव डायरेक्टेड. देखिए डायरेक्टेड के लिए हम डायरेक्शंस के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं, वी यूज एरोज. ओके, फॉर डायरेक्शन वी यूज एरोज. Okay, so in this as well we are going to use the arrows, or we are going to follow the arrows actually. Okay, so again while following this arrow, you can see 945 to this. For moving from this to this, what we need to do, करना क्या है, for moving from this to this, we need to subtract 75. So we need to subtract 75 from what? We are going to subtract 75 from what? So we are going to subtract 75 from 945. So we are going to subtract 75 from 945. So let's subtract 75 from 945 in the round. So 945 minus 75. Okay, 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 7, possible? No. So it will borrow from here and it will become 8 and it will become 14. 14 minus 7, 7, 8, that is 870. So that means if we subtract 75 from 945, we will get 870. We will get 870. So the answer we got, that is 870. Clear? Again I am going to erase the rough work. So we have done the two steps actually while following the first step. So as given the question, do as directed. So here it is given, we first of all we have to add 200, that's what we have done, and after adding 200 to 745, we got 945. Next subtract 75. So for 9 from 945 we need to subtract 75. So after subtracting 75 from 945, we got 870. Next, the next step is, the next direction that is given here is that we need to move upwards, because here the arrow is pointing towards upward. So now what is given here? So in this, the arrow is pointing that now we need to subtract 125. Okay, so we need to subtract 125 from what? We need to subtract 125 from 870. We need to subtract 125 from 870. So let's subtract 125 from 870. So 870 minus, subtract means minus 125. So that will be 10 and here it will be 6. 10 minus 5, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 1, 7. That is 745. So that is 745. Okay. So अब देखिए यहाँ तक हम आ गए 745. Okay, so any such direction is given from here. यहाँ से कोई direction दी है? No. So that means this is the end. So देखिए, as we can see, we have started from here and we reached there. And the starting initial point and the ending point, they both are same, that is 745. So here they have written two questions. what do you get in the end? आपको end में क्या मिला? We get, what did you get in the end? We get 745 in the end. Second is, do you know why? क्यों? देखिए, the reason is, okay, so 75 plus 125. 75 को 125 में प्लस करिए. देखिए यहाँ ऐड है, here it is subtract, here it is subtract. So we are adding 200, subtracting 125 and 75. So 125 plus 75. जब इन दोनों को प्लस करोगे आपके पास कितना आया? 200. So that means we are adding 200 and we are subtracting 200. तो add भी 200 कर रहे हैं, subtract भी 200 कर रहे हैं. So that means the answer will be same as it is that was in the initial point. Okay. So this was question number 4 from the warm-up exercise from the book. Okay. So with this, I'm just ending the session here as well. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.